If you've ever needed to let someone pick a date, like for an appointment, deadline, or reservation, directly inside your PDF, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to insert a date calendar field in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know how to make your PDF forms more interactive and professional, allowing users to easily select dates, just like on the web. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up the PDF document you want to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You can either double-click the file or open Acrobat first and use File Open to find your document. Don't worry if your PDF looks a little busy or has lots of content. Adding a calendar field won't disturb your existing text or layout. Now, to actually create a field, you'll want to go to the Tools tab. You'll find the tools at the top left of your Acrobat window. Click it, and from all the options, select Prepare Form. This is where the magic happens. We're turning your plain PDF into an interactive form. Once you're in Prepare Form mode, you'll notice a toolbar at the top, a collection of icons for different field types. Look for the icon that represents a date field. If you're not sure which one it is, hover your mouse over each icon and it'll show a little tooltip. When you find Date, click it, then head over to your document and click in the exact spot where you want the calendar field to appear. Don't worry if you change your mind about placement. It's easy to move the field later by dragging it around. After placing the date field, double-click it to open the Properties window. This may seem like an extra step, but it's crucial, because here you can fine-tune how the field behaves. Inside the Properties window, switch to the Format tab. This determines how dates will look to users. You'll get a drop-down with various date formats. Maybe you want just month, day, year, or include the year with spelling, or even have both date and time if your form needs it. For something like an appointment, including the time might be helpful. For a birthday, just the date works fine. While you're in the properties, feel free to customize further. You can change the appearance, alter the border color, font, or size, so the field stands out or blends in, depending on your design preference. If you want to make sure users don't skip the field, check Required. And you can add a tooltip, like click to select a date, which pops up if someone hovers on the field. A nice touch for usability, especially if your audience isn't tech-savvy. When you're happy with all your settings, click Close to exit the Properties window. Now, here's a handy tip. Before you wrap things up, click the Preview button up top. This lets you experience your form as your users will. Try clicking your new date field. A little calendar icon should appear, and when you click it, you can pick a date from the pop-up calendar. If something doesn't seem right, just pop back into editing mode and make changes. Sometimes tweaking the layout or format takes a couple tries, and that's totally normal. Finally, save your PDF file so you don't lose all your hard work. Go to File and then Save, or Save As, if you want to keep a backup copy. And that's it. You've now added a professional-looking, user-friendly date picker right inside your PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have questions or run into any issues. I always check the comments and try to help out. Subscribe for more instructional videos just like this one, and I'll see you next time.